When 2020 arrived, no one anticipated the dramatic changes it had in store. A year of hits and misses, experiments and experiences, most of all a year of survival. Here's a rewind to the 2020, where old normal got replaced by the new normal. Working from office became a relic of the past. And study room morphed into office. Virtual meetings turned as new conference. Video calls became new venue for get-togethers. And on-site implementation turned remote. 2020 everything was different this year. Work, office, celebrations. Yet we broadened our horizons. We encouraged employee well-being. We celebrated 20 years of helping businesses grow and reach their goals. 2020 has been a bittersweet year, but we strived and thrived, and shall continue to do that. Here's to a bright and exciting 2021. BatchMaster. Business made simpler.